Hey, smart builders. I'm so excited for what we have planned for our customers this October. Build Smarter 2026 is where builders come together to sharpen their product knowledge, explore our latest innovations, get a firsthand look at what's on our roadmap, and network with peers from across North America. Whether you're a NEWSTAR power user or exploring what's next with NX, we've built this year's sessions around what actually moves the needle for your team. NEWSTAR users, we're going deep. Live demos and hand-on sessions covering Sales Express, advanced accounting, production, and purchasing. You'll see how everything works together across the full life cycle of a lot, from setup to closing the home. If you're moving to NX, we've got you. Our sessions walk you through the platform, our vision, and exactly how we'll get your team ready for a smooth transition. Plus, a live NX support clinic where you can bring your real questions and get answers from our product experts. We're also featuring BuilderMetrix, our new AI capabilities, Touchpoint for vendor collaboration, and the redesigned BuilderGo mobile app. My team will be on hand to make sure you get everything you came for. Check out the full agenda and register today. We can't wait to see you in Atlanta in October.